Hello, beautiful souls. So I thought I would do something a little different today. I'm doing an unboxing, but of some Funko Pops. Now, the reason I decided to put them on here is because these are very special Funko Pops to me, and I want to talk a little bit about why. So, as most of you know, Avatar: The Way of Water just came out. Now, Avatar is is extremely close to my heart, and that's because I believe that James Cameron actually channeled the feline race from Lyra and their original planet as inspiration for Avatar and Pandora. And if anyone's interested in that theory, feel free to comment and I will make a video about it. I feel like I've made a video about this in the past, but I could be totally wrong. Anyway, I believe that Na'vi are the closest representation to the feline race and Lyrans, or the Lyran race of felines. And yeah, so I had recently looked up if they had any Avatar Funko Pops because it just came out, and I saw them, but there was nowhere I could buy them, whatever. So last week, or not even, me and my partner and my mom and my son were out at a mall, and I found them. I found these, and I am obsessed. I have 3 of them, and so I thought I would unbox them. I've been trying to decide if I want them in the box or not, but like I want to be able to see them. I want to enjoy them. So I thought I'd unbox them because they're super cute, and I think I might actually put them like on a small feline altar because I've never created an altar space for the felines, and I have reasons around that. If you'd like me to make a video about that, why I don't usually have representations of them and things like that, or why I don't work with Bast specifically, yeah, I can make a video on that as well, so let me know. But anyway, let's do a little fun unboxing. There are 4 characters in the set. They're the 3 avatars and then the 1 villain human, which like we don't need it. They did have him as well. But anyway, so I'm going to start off with Neytiri. I did start opening this like a few minutes ago, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to do an unboxing. So on the back, it says, I can never pronounce this right. Ol Nagti Kamea. It means I see you. In Na'vi. So we have the regular Funko Pop. There is a little bit of a background. When I pull this out, I'm going to see if we can see it. Oh, it comes out. That's cool. I'm like up in the camera here. I've never collected Funko Pops because I knew as soon as I started, it would be a whole thing. And so me and my partner have been really good about not buying them. But recently he got me a TARDIS and my favorite Doctor from Doctor Who, which is really hard to find, the 11th Doctor. So I was like, well, now we're allowed to buy them. I mean, let's be real. If he hadn't got me those, I still would have gotten these because these are just on another level. So it looks like there's a little background. Oh my God. Pandora gives me happy vibes. So there's this picture in the back. Beautiful. I wonder if it's different for each of them. Oh my God, she's just gorgeous. Oh my God. So I am also going to be unboxing my Doctor. Wow, these are so nice. Like I said, I've never unboxed Funko Pops before. Oh my God, look at her. Look at her. Look at the detail. Isn't she beautiful? And she's got her braid for Sahelu. Look, her tail even comes around it. Like, that's so beautiful. Wow. I love this. Wow. She's just gorgeous. She's just so gorgeous. Oh my God. Oh, I'm in love. Ah, I'm in love. Okay. So next we have Battle Neytiri. So these are from the first movie is what yeah, looking at Jake Sully's hair, it looks like he's from the first movie. So I don't know if these came out a while ago, but they were in this shop and I've never seen them before. So we have her. I'm very excited to get these out of here now that like I see that I am going to keep the boxes for any type of shipping. I will never be selling these just because, like, I can't imagine myself doing that. Unless for some reason they were, like, worth a lot. But even then, they have to be worth a lot. All right, so it has the same I see you on here. And it has the same background card, which is actually awesome because I'll probably use these for something. Okay, so this one comes on a stand. All right, there's a little discoloration on her hair. That's okay, it's in the back. All right, so she comes on a stand. Look at her. Oh my gosh, isn't she gorgeous? See, there's a little bit of this. I might even be able to fix that. I think it might be able to be washed off. But look at her. Oh my gosh, she's so beautiful. Oh, amazing. I still think I like the first Neytiri better. She's fantastic. Okay. And the last one I have is Jake. Oh, I'm so excited. And he's standing, so that's cool. Same box. I kind of wish they had different backgrounds. That would have been really cool. And Jakey. And it looks like they've made the body slightly bigger than normal Funko Pops. I could be wrong, but I think that might be because the avatars are bigger. Wow. Look at him. Oh my gosh, he's so amazing. And yes, this is from the first movie because you can see his hair is shorter. And he just braids little bits of his hair. I actually liked his hair better in this movie than in the second movie. I thought it just suited his face better. There is a little bit of, like, I don't know if you can see that. You can't really see that there, but it's a little discoloration and there's a little mark on his face. So I'm going to see if I can fix that. But, oh my gosh, I'm absolutely obsessed. These are so great. Oh my God. And I'll do a close-up picture of them. And he does stand on his own, which is kind of amazing. Like, you know, with how big his head is, but he does stand on his own. And I'll do a little picture of them after. But I just thought I would share those. I thought they were really cute. And I'm like super obsessed. And like I said, if you want any videos on how I feel the Na'vi and Avatar were channeled from the felines, let me know. Yeah. All right, that's it. I just thought this would be fun. Yeah. All right. Much love, many blessings, and yeah, I'll do a quick pan of these in the next clip. So, much love, many blessings. Peace.